Welcome to Afro Answers, a video series from gal-dem to keep you up to date with all the do's and don'ts on your natural hair care journey. I'm Ebony, a trichologist specialising in Afro hair care. Today I'll be talking about how to detangle your hair safely. Let's get into it. Detangling your hair is a very important step to ensuring your fro is ready for styling. However, if you don't take the necessary steps to do it right, you might be causing more damage to your hair. For example, if your hair strands are knotted up or tangled or it's drier than a tumbleweed, it's probably not the best time to drag a brush or wide tooth comb or finger through it. So how do you properly detangle your hair? Yes, you can't go wrong with an arm day because let's be real, your arms are going to be aching by the time you're done, but it gets easier after the first time. Tip 1. Shampoo and sectioning. First, cleanse your hair with shampoo, and while it's still wet, put it into more manageable sections. Wet hair is more elastic, meaning you can gently pull it apart without it snapping easily. Tip 2. Now for a conditioner. 1 pump is enough. Use this to coat each section of hair as this will give it more slip for brushing. Tip 3. Detangling Brush 101. Make sure to use a brush suitable for detangling. To begin detangling, always start at the end, then slowly work your way up until the brush can run smoothly through the section of hair. Tip 4. Don't stress about shedding. Shedding is completely normal, especially if you haven't detangled in a while. If you notice excessive shedding or have any hair concerns, speak to your GP or a trichologist for support. Let us know in the comments if there's any more must-know tips for keeping your fro baby tangle-free. And catch you next week. Love, Ebony.